FurqonLomba. Today, I would like to tell you a story, and the title is The Tortoise and the Hare. Now let me begin. A long time ago, indeed, there was a very slow tortoise and a very sweet hare. The hare was a proud animal, fast and sweet, and well aware of his beauty talents. The hare wouldn't stop teasing the tortoise for his slowness. "Good morning, Mr. Hare," the tortoise said. "My goodness, you are moving quickly today." "Ha ha ha, but I am tortoise," said Hare. "But I cannot say the same for you. You are as slow as a sledge. I am the fastest runner in this race, and you are the slowest one. We shall compete." He did. One day the tortoise, tired of the hare showing up, agreed to have a running competition. "You may be fast, but I am persistent," he said. And the next day the tortoise and the hare stood at the start, ready for a race. 1, 2, 3, go! said the hare, and they started running. The hare was a long way in front of the tortoise when he saw a field of cabbage. He looked back and almost couldn't see the tortoise. "Take your time," he shouted to the tortoise. "Yum yum, I have snack here and slow in the race." When he had finished his breakfast, he looked around to see how far the tortoise had got. He still hadn't passed halfway. Feeling sleepy after his snack, the hare thought to himself, "I will have a quick snooze now, and when I wake up, I'll quickly run past the finish line." He fell into a deep sleep and dreamed of winning the competition. Time passed and the sun was already setting when the hare woke up. "Oh my!" said the hare. "How long have I been sleeping? Yes, I must get back to the race." He jumped and looked around to see the tortoise a few steps from the finish line. The hare rushed towards the finish line as fast as he could, but the tortoise was already crossing it, winning the competition. "You don't always have to be the fastest too," the tortoise told the hare, who was stopping in disgrace. The end. So everyone, the moral lesson from this story is, know the other, confident and focus on your path.